Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope all of you are fine and safe, and also hope that you are enjoying the virtual classes. Kindly be vigilant and try to focus on your study. Listen the lecture carefully. Complete the given assignment. Send it to the relevant subject teacher on time. And do not waste your time on extra discussion with the student. Now, come on our lesson. Our today's lesson topic is Nasiruddin Muhammad Humayun. Muhammad Humayun was son of Zahiruddin Babur, who laid the foundation of Mughal Empire in 1526. In 1530, after the death of Babur, Nasiruddin Humayun took the throne. He ruled twice from 1530 to 1540 and then again 1555 to 1556. तारीख दान कहते हैं कि वो एक कमज़ोर हुक्मरान था जिसे मुकामी इंडियन हुक्मरानों ने घेरा और उसे एक दहाई से ज़्यादा अरसा तख्त से दूर रखा, और शेर शाह सूरी उसके लिए एक बड़ा चैलेंज साबित हुआ। शेर शाह सूरी का तल्लुक अफ़गान कबीले से था और वो 1540 में हुमायूं के ख़िलाफ़ नबर्द आज़मा हुआ और उसे शिकस्त दी। शेर शाह सूरी ने 1540 में सूरी एम्पायर की बुनियाद रखी। अब यहाँ से 1540 में शेर शाह सूरी के दौरे को मशरू होता है। He was a efficient administrator and a brave military general. He was given the title Sher after the single-handedly killed a tiger. Sher Shah Suri is considered among the greatest Muslim rulers of the subcontinent. Although his rule did not lasted more than 5 years, but his reign proved to be a milestone in the administrative history of subcontinent. Here are few steps taken by him. He employed a powerful army. He improved the law and order situation in country. He set up a simple tax collection system. Roads were laid. Famous GT Road from Delhi to Kabul was built during his reign. He continued to increase his power in India, but lost his life in an incident in 1545. He was succeeded by his son Islam Shah, लेकिन वो बहुत कमज़ोर नाअहल साबित हुआ। इसी दौरान हुमायूं ने हालात से फ़ायदा उठाया और वापस इंडिया आ गया। उसने दोबारा लाहौर, दिल्ली और आगरा पर हमला किया और 1555 में दोबारा हुकूमत हासिल की। उसने दिल्ली को अपना दारुल हुकूमत बनाया और अपनी सल्तनत को रीऑर्गेनाइज करना शुरू कर दिया। बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली ही लॉस्ट हिज लाइफ एज ही फेल डाउन the stairs of his library in 1556. Thus, his reign ended and he was succeeded by his son Jalaluddin Akbar. I hope all of you have understand this well. Allah Hafiz.